Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Payoneer dashboard securely, quick guide step by step clearly. To log into your Payoneer dashboard securely, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.payoneer.com. Once the Payoneer homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Payoneer account in the first field. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. To enhance security, look for an option to enable two-step verification, if you haven't already done so. If two-step verification is enabled, you will be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your registered mobile number or email. Check your phone or email for the code and enter it in the provided field. Once you have filled in all required information, click the Login button. If you encounter any issues, make sure to double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the provided instructions to reset your password securely. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Payoneer dashboard. Make sure to log out of your account when you are finished, especially on public or shared devices. This simple step ensures your account remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.